Hey, so I just wanted to post a quick video today for anybody. I have a 2005 Ford Excursion Eddie Bauer edition 2-wheel drive, and it's got the 6.0 turbo diesel. I got about 155,000 miles on it. It's been a great running truck. Well, yesterday it left me on the side of the road. It just stopped running. I changed fuel filters. It ran for about 30 seconds more and it died again. Anyway, so the moral of the story is I found trash in my fuel filter, in my beginning one where the fuel pump is at, and I suspected maybe a clogged fuel line. So I went through the process today of dropping a tank. You can see it's down here, and I'm gonna show you underneath the truck. So I had to actually jack the back of the truck up. See my jack back there in the jack stand. There's a couple fuel lines I had to disconnect. You can see these guys up in there. A couple fuel lines right there I had to disconnect, plus the wiring harness that's up there kind of dangling, plus your couple of hoses for your fill up. So that's really all it was, and 4 bolts to disconnect the fuel tank, drop it down, and I took it apart, cleaned it out, and what I found was my pickup unit, my training unit, was full of debris. My screen, as you can see right here, had trash on it, but ultimately it came apart on me in the bottom of the tank. So I was picking up everything. This line right here, which is my pickup line right here, was completely clogged up. So I basically took my air hose and I've blown it out. I've blown out the hoses from my fuel pump back, and I'm going to reassemble it and hopefully have some luck with it. Hopefully not have any problems with it. Hopefully it'll crank right after this. But I just wanted to post this for anybody who might have had the same issues, something similar to look for. Thanks.